Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voike. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the vitamin E range of the Dermaco. So I'll be talking about two products today, that is their 4% vitamin E face serum and 3% vitamin E face moisturizer. Now before going to the product details one by one, let's talk about vitamin E. So vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin which has antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help in preventing free radical damage on the skin, which is responsible for early signs of aging or sun damage. Vitamin E also have anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps in calming down any kind of redness and soothing the skin. This is a kind of ingredient which you can include in your skincare if you have a very dry or flaky skin, because it helps in providing optimum moisturization and helps in reducing any kind of dryness on the skin. This ingredient is available in cream forms as well as oil forms for topical use of the skin. And many of the skincare products use vitamin E as an ingredient to increase the moisturization level of the skin. Now coming to the product details one by one. So this 4% vitamin E serum comes in a bottle like this with a dropper, and it retails for 499 rupees for 30 ml. Serum contains ingredients like water, then castor oil, then glycerides, ethoxy diglycol, tocopherol acetate, honey extract, glycerine, sorbitol, olive fruit extract, xanthan gum, sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. Coming to the texture of the product, so it is a very lightweight serum. It feels like an oil infused serum which glides on really smoothly on the skin. It gets absorbed into the skin within few minutes and gives a glowy finish. It does feel sticky at first, but once it gets synced into the skin, it feels really nice, providing a nice moisturized feeling along with a glowy effect. Now vitamin E is an ingredient which you can combine easily with vitamin C, and these two ingredients work really well together as both of them have antioxidant properties and helps in preventing sun damage. I apply the serum normally during the night time, but nowadays the weather is becoming a bit dry and I have a combination skin which is more towards the drier side nowadays. So I apply it during the morning as well before my moisturizer, and then apply my sunscreen on top. With any other ingredient or product which you include in your skincare for the first time, it is very important to do a patch test, see whether the product is working on your skin or not. This serum is fragrance free and it's suitable for everyday use. So if you are suffering from dry patches or your skin is getting drier in this winter month and you're looking for a good serum which has very moisturizing properties as well as which can provide a glowing effect to your skin, you can give this one a try. Now coming to the second product, so this is the 3% vitamin E and lactic acid moisturizer, and this 100 gram of tube retails for 349 rupees. Now the key ingredient of this product is 3% vitamin E as well as lactic acid, and this moisturizer can be used both morning as well as evening and is well suited for dry as well as flaky skin. So the product contains ingredients like water, then isopropyl myristate emulsifying wax, caprylic, capric triglyceride, glyceryl stearate, then tocopherol, disodium phosphate, saccharide isomerate, argan oil, carbomer, dimethicone, lactic acid, sodium PCA, sodium benzoate and triethanolamine. This moisturizer is also fragrance free and it contains various good ingredients. So the key ingredients are 3% vitamin E as well as lactic acid. Now lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid which has mild exfoliating properties, and it is considered as a very nice exfoliating agent if you have a dry skin. The texture of the moisturizer is really creamy and it spreads very nicely on the skin. It gets absorbed within few minutes. I have been trying out this moisturizer for quite some time now and it didn't clog my pores. It just gives a nice smooth appearance to my skin and controls sebum production. This moisturizer has a very nice fluffy texture, and as it is a silicone based product, it provides a nice smoothing effect to the skin. Now this moisturizer also contains olive extract which is rich in vitamin A as well as E, and it helps in providing moisturization to the skin, and when combined with vitamin E, it maximizes its benefits. The application of this product is really simple. So you just have to cleanse your face, then apply your serum, let it absorb for a minute, then apply this moisturizer with little dots on your skin and then massage it nicely. So if you're wearing this moisturizer during the day, do remember to apply a good sunscreen on top. Now the combination of these ingredients also help in maintaining the oil balance in the skin and makes your skin more healthier as well as plumper. Apart from the major benefits of using topical vitamin E in your skincare, For some people, vitamin E can be a bit comedogenic, so it is very important to know whether an ingredient is suiting your skin or not. Everyone's skin is different, so skincare is different for everyone and it's extremely personal. So if you want to know which skincare products will be suitable for your skin type, Dermaco has a feature of skin assessment test, and the platform will help in recommending products according to their skin type as well as concerns. I have been using these products religiously on my skin, but they didn't clog my pores. But skincare is really subjective and you need to know what your skin wants. So before purchasing any product, just go through the ingredient list one by one, and if the ingredients are fine with you, do a patch test before application of the product on your whole face as well as neck. Overall, I really like the products, and if you really like vitamin E in your skin and if you're looking for a good serum or moisturizer for these cold months, you can definitely give these a try. So Dermaco products are designed by dermatologists and all the new launches are fragrance free. These products are available at Dermaco's official website, that is www.thedermaco.com, and you can use my coupon code POONAM20 to get flat 20% off on individual products. They are also available at Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. So this is all for today. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.